All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on these Cabin Obsession Black Bear coasters. Been super excited to get these. It's all great quality coasters. Let's check them out. Oh, very nice. Man, they're very, like, they got weight to them. Check it out. It says what you put them in. Very cool. And just so you know, they're all handmade. So they're all will look a little different, but check, look at that. And they're made of good quality, not like some of that cheaper quality where it'll just warp over time. These are very cool. And they got that nice padding at the bottom so it doesn't scratch anything up. And you get a total of 6 of them. So let's see, put them in here. There we go. So that's how it looks when it's done. Honestly, if you're looking for an awesome, unique coaster set, these will make great gifts or maybe for your home. Highly recommend these, 10 out of 10.